national, international, everything we have covered. What is there left? Bhudevi, our beautiful earth. Without our earth, we are nothing. We must protect her. Otherwise, manamandaram.
That's right. I think we can always talk more about the environment.
Yeah, I love our forests, beautiful beaches, and the whole years of history.
Forests are vital for the planet's health, providing clean air, habitat for wildlife, and many more. I think we should really honor our vegetation.
I think you boys are right. What do we say? Pledge to our planet. The high school boys of Nallagandla are about to show you the true preservation of our forests. Let's give them a big round of cheers. You already know.
Kunda yirmi pune kaca ne ben bu